Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and on this channel I like to share all my tips and tricks on how you can lose weight just like I did on keto. I've lost 200 pounds eating keto, so hit that subscribe button and stick around and I'll show you how you can too. Welcome! Like I said, on this channel I like to show my tips and tricks for how to lose weight on keto. In this particular video, I show you my favorite keto meals for losing weight on a ketogenic way of eating. I hope that by sharing what I eat with you guys, that you can get some ideas for your own keto weight loss journey. Let's get to the food. Hey everyone, it's Saturday. It is about 1:30 in the afternoon and I'm breaking my fast with another chaffle. Today I am having cheddar onion spinach chaffles with a little ham and tomato inside. I'm not doing mayo because I am keeping my fats low, but normally I would put some mayo on this and I bet that would make it really tasty. And I am having a protein bar from julianbakery.com, and that's gonna be my first meal of the day. Hey everyone, it's Saturday night and I am having my Italian baked chicken. I have 6 ounces of chicken breast on 155 grams of spaghetti squash with 2 ounces of provolone cheese and half a cup of lucini marinara. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. Wants to show off his creation here. This is a chaffle sandwich, so he's xanthan gum in his chaffles. He thinks it's the best way to do it. He's got mayonnaise, bacon, chicken, and tomato on his giant chaffle sand. Now we know why I have lost 200 pounds and Dave, well, let's not talk about that. Roofie. Alrighty everyone, it's Sunday afternoon. It is about 2 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm breaking my fast with this cool chaffle creation. I have the video, I made a recipe video and I will link it for you if it's on my channel already. I hope it is. But I am having 4 double chocolate chip chaffles with some cream cheese and erythritol filling, topped on the top with sugar-free heavy whipping cream and a few more chocolate chips. These are the These are the Bake Believe from Walmart, and 55 grams of bacon. Get in my belly. Alrighty everyone, it's Sunday night. I am continuing my higher fat day with a New York strip steak, 8 ounces, and some creamed spinach. We just used 1 ounce of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, some garlic, salt, and pepper. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Well, here I am at the zoo with my kiddos, and this is what I'm going to have for my first meal of the day. It is about noon. I am having 2 pieces of center cut bacon, 2 and a little over ounces of, I think it's 60 grams of provolone cheese. I'm having 2 ounces of turkey breast, 2 boiled eggs, and then these are little chaffles. They're dairy-free chaffles, so technically not a chaffle. They're gluten-free waffles that I made with egg, a little bit of almond flour, a little bit of baking powder, and some sweetener. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, here I am at our fundraising barbecue and I am having an 8-ounce New York strip steak and some veggies, and I'm going to be having a Quest protein cookie. I don't have it out here, but I'm going to have Quest peanut butter protein cookie, and that's going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it's Tuesday afternoon. It is actually 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm eating really late because I had a lot going on today, but I am having just chaffles and yogurt today. So my chaffles are made out of 2 eggs, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, and 20 grams of blueberry with a little bit of sweetener and cinnamon and vanilla. And then 300 grams of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with lemonade, Mio water enhancer. That's going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it's Tuesday night and I am having a giant chicken taco salad. Underneath all of this goodness, I have 3 cups of iceberg lettuce, 1 package of Quest taco seasoning protein chips, 6 ounces of chicken breast shredded, 2 tablespoons of holy guacamole, 4 tablespoons of sour cream, 4 tablespoons of salsa, and 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it is Wednesday and it's about noon and I am here with my girls at the dance studio. And I am having my first meal of the day. Today I am having chocolate chip raspberry chaffles. As you can see on some of them, the raspberries burned. So I'm not sure Maybe it's better to just do like a raspberry jelly and put it on top, but I haven't tried these yet, so I don't know if they're any good. Oh, that one's even worse on that side, so you can see the raspberries kind of exploded. But yeah, anyway, so, and 2 eggs, 60 grams of raspberries, 10 grams of Baked Believe sugar-free chocolate chips, a paleo protein bar. This is my last one. I just found a random one lying around. And a cup of 0% Valle Greek yogurt sweetened with lemonade Mio water enhancer. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it's Wednesday night. I am starving to death, so I'm having a super low fat, super high in protein meal tonight. I'm having 8 ounces of chicken breast and 3 ounces of provolone cheese on top of 200 grams of zucchini with a new sauce that I just am trying. It's called Simply Ragu, and it's a cauliflower base Alfredo. It has a little bit more carbs, but has way less fat. So we'll see how it goes, see if it tastes good. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, here I am at Commonwealth School, and I am having some blueberry chaffles again today because those were fantastically awesome. I'm going to be doing a recipe of these for you guys because they are really good. And then I have a cup of 0% Valle Greek yogurt with acai berry Mio water enhancer and a peanut butter brownie smash Quest bar. This one and the raspberry white chocolate are the only ones I can barely stand of Quest bars. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it is Thursday night and I am having a chaffle tuna melt. I made garlic, mushroom, spinach chaffles, and I put on 1 can of tuna fish with 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and 20 grams of onion and salt and pepper. Then I broiled 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese on top of that and added 60 grams of tomato. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it's Friday afternoon and I am having something fun today because it's my late start day. So I decided I would try peanut butter and jelly chaffles from Wendy Barron's channel. I used her raspberry recipe for making raspberry jam, and I pretty much made it the same way she made it. And then I put little Adam's peanut butter on the one side and put it together like a sandwich. I hope I don't regret the peanuts. Peanuts sometimes make me retain water, but hopefully it's going to taste good. It tastes good separate, so hopefully it will taste good together as well. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. And I am having baked chicken. So I have 6 ounces of chicken breast with 1 ounce of provolone cheese and 20 grams of spinach and 1 ounce of ham with 18 grams of Parmesan. This is all we had left on top. And then I have 50 grams of lettuce with 1 tablespoon of Lighthouse Caesar dressing. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Well, there you have it. Everything I ate in the last 7 days to lose weight on a ketogenic way of eating. I hope you got some great ideas for your own keto meal plan. Don't forget to check out our Facebook page in the About section below for a getting started guide and macros chart that can help you get started on your own keto weight loss journey. If you don't have Facebook, don't forget to email me at ketochaos@gmail.com for your own free copy. I'm so happy to help, and I hope that you guys are successful in your weight loss journey. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you again soon.